wife calls me up the other day and says the check engine light is on and the transmission safe mode light is on this 2018 Volkswagen Atlas. Still in warranty. I still have time to have the dealership take a look at it. So before I actually call the dealer, my son comes to me and says, "Hey Dad, Mom was driving kind of fast and she took off real quick right before the engine light came on. So you might want to check it out." P0101 code, come on. Transmission in emergency mode. So I popped the hood and the snorkel's hanging out like that. It's not even connected. It didn't seem like it was loose or anything, so I was wondering if the engine just rocked back and forth too much. But that got me thinking, how much does this engine actually move while you're driving? So let's take a look. Let's throw the GoPro underneath here and go for a ride. So the reason why you get this code is because of the mass airflow sensor that's right there, and that was disconnected. So the engine's not able to monitor, well, the computer is not able to monitor how much air is going into the engine. And that's also a direct link to the transmission. The transmission inputs use some of the mass airflow sensor data to control the shifts and stuff, at least on most vehicles, and I'm pretty sure with the Volkswagen Atlas, and that's why we got the transmission code. Before I knew exactly what was going on with the vehicle, with the snorkel and the check engine light, I did ask some of my Volkswagen technician friends, and they mentioned there with that transmission in safe mode could be something to do with the shifter assembly. Whether it's a linkage or whether it's something electrically, I don't know. So if you don't have a snorkel that's popped off, take a look at your shifter assembly. See if there's something going on there. If you've had this transmission warning light on your dash in your Volkswagen Atlas and you had it fixed or you fixed it, let me know in the comments what the problem was. After hooking that snorkel back up, I cleared the code. We drove it for about 2 weeks and no lights have come back on. So I think we're good to go. So I hope this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, check out some of my other videos. I do a lot of automotive and mechanical type stuff. A bunch of Volkswagen Atlas quick little tip videos. Thanks, guys.